When considering warranties after a job is complete, understand that a one-size-fits-all approach may not be the best strategy. Standard boilerplate warranty forms can be both ineffective and potentially risky. Each electrical job possesses its own unique characteristics and challenges, so applying a blanket warranty, like a 1-year warranty to every project, might not accurately reflect the true scope of the work or address potential issues that may arise. Unless the details of the work are documented, including model numbers of installed light fixtures and the technical specifications of devices used, there is an increased chance of encountering problems. A common issue occurs when an electrician replaces a fully functional ballast simply because the replacement ballast has different quality and wattage specifications. Be cautious about using phrases like "I'll fix it," as that can be interpreted in various ways by different people, potentially leading to misunderstandings and disputes. If you decide to make a commitment to fix something, be specific about the costs and time involved. Another approach that can be considered, although it may be seen as controversial, is a service warranty that runs concurrently with the manufacturer's warranty of the installed product. For example, if a ballast has a 5-year warranty, your service warranty would also be 5 years. Or, if the ballast has a 10-year warranty, the service warranty would be 10 years as well. This approach encourages the use of high-quality materials that are covered by warranties, and it also provides customers with a clear understanding of what they are getting. When establishing a warranty, consider these points. Firstly, clearly define the scope of work covered under the warranty, including the specific components or systems. Secondly, specify the duration of the warranty period, starting from the date of final inspection or project completion. Thirdly, outline the process for submitting a warranty claim, including contact information and required documentation. Fourthly, state any limitations or exclusions to the warranty, such as damage caused by misuse, neglect, or acts of God. Fifthly, describe the remedies available under the warranty, such as repair, replacement, or refund. Sixthly, clarify who is responsible for labor costs associated with warranty repairs or replacements. Seventhly, explain any requirements for ongoing maintenance or inspections to keep the warranty valid. Eighthly, address how disputes will be resolved, such as through mediation or arbitration. Ninthly, ensure the warranty complies with all applicable laws and regulations. Tenthly, provide a written copy of the warranty to the customer for their records. Consider consulting with legal counsel to ensure that warranty language is enforceable and protects interests. Also consider insurance options for covering potential warranty claims and liabilities. Maintain detailed records of all work performed, including materials used, inspections, and any issues encountered. This can help resolve warranty claims and defend against potential lawsuits. Communicate clearly with customers throughout the project, setting realistic expectations about performance and warranty coverage. By addressing warranty issues proactively, electrical contractors can minimize disputes and maintain positive customer relationships.